Today, we broadcast an essential update on financial independence for individuals. It's July 2025, and while the notion of financial freedom might seem distant amidst rising costs and economic volatility, it is entirely attainable through strategic action. This isn't merely about budgeting. It's about employing powerful financial tactics to build wealth and secure your future. This discussion will provide a comprehensive, actionable guide over the next 8.5 minutes. The aspiration for financial wellness has never been more prominent. For many, financial independence is not solely about early retirement. It's about gaining control, reducing stress, and securing the flexibility to make life choices without monetary constraints. Intuit's latest consumer survey, The Side Hustle Generation, Redefining Financial Success, reveals that nearly 2/3 of younger professionals have already started or plan to start a side hustle. This indicates a significant shift towards diversified income streams and greater financial autonomy. With 65% of those engaged in side hustles planning to continue them into 2025, financial stress remains a top concern, with 76% citing the cost of living as a major worry, emphasizing the need for robust financial strategies. Economic shifts, including continued concerns about inflation and fluctuating interest rates, highlight the importance of adaptable financial planning and the need for a resilient financial framework. Let us establish the bedrock. Smart investing for individuals building their careers. Time is your most valuable asset due to the power of compound interest. First, maximize your employer's 401 match. This is, in essence, free money. By contributing enough to receive the full employer match, you instantly gain a significant guaranteed return on your investment. A benefit often overlooked by up to a quarter of eligible employees, who miss out on thousands of dollars annually. Second, consider a Roth IRA for those within the income thresholds. A Roth IRA allows you to invest after-tax dollars today, letting your earnings grow completely tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. This tax advantage can translate into tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars saved over decades, making it a critical tool for long-term wealth, particularly as certain tax provisions are set to expire at the end of 2025. Third, focus on low-cost exchange-traded funds and diversified index funds. These instruments offer broad market exposure with minimal fees, typically under 0.2%, making them ideal for long-term wealth accumulation without requiring constant monitoring or stock-picking expertise. Platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity offer excellent options for this. Diversification proved its value in Q1 2025, with broadly diversified portfolios outperforming concentrated ones. Even as the S&P 500 experienced declines, consider diversifying across asset classes, geographies, and sectors. Fourth, explore alternative investment opportunities with informed caution. While traditional stocks and bonds are foundational, options like real estate crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, or even specific digital assets are gaining traction. These can provide opportunities for growth and risk mitigation beyond traditional markets. However, always ensure thorough research, understand the inherent risks, and only invest what you are prepared to lose, as these options can be less liquid or more volatile. It's vital to conduct your due diligence, starting with small amounts and scaling up only after gaining sufficient understanding and comfort. Next, we analyze income maximization in the mid-2020s. Your primary job is just one component of your financial strategy. The power of side hustles is increasingly evident, with 60% of individuals reporting engagement in them. These aren't just for extra cash. They are strategic tools for skill development and financial security. Popular examples include freelance web design, digital content creation, selling digital products like ebooks or templates, or offering specialized consulting services based on your unique skills. Data from LendingTree indicates that individuals engaging in side hustles report earning an average of $1,580 monthly, underscoring the potential for significant supplemental income and reducing reliance on a single income source. Beyond side hustles, focus on upskilling for higher pay. The skills protecting you from an eye displacement like data analytics, prompt engineering, or advanced software tools are Also, those commanding premium salaries. It's often 28% higher according to recent job market analysis. Investing in online courses, certifications, or even micro-credentials in these high-demand areas can provide a direct path to increased earning potential and career mobility. Finally, master salary negotiation. Research industry benchmarks for your role. Highlight your unique contributions and recent achievements, and confidently articulate your value. Never leave money on the table. Effectively negotiating a starting salary or a raise can significantly impact one's lifetime earnings, potentially adding hundreds of thousands of dollars over a career. Practice your negotiation points, anticipate objections, and be prepared to articulate your value clearly and concisely. Finally, effective money management is the cornerstone of financial independence. Develop a bulletproof budget that goes beyond basic tracking. The 50-30-20 rule is a useful starting point. Personalize it to align with your specific financial goals. Use modern budgeting tools like apps or AI-powered financial planners to make the process easier and provide deeper insights into spending patterns. Automate your savings and investments to ensure consistency. Many banking apps and brokerage platforms now offer easy automation features, allowing you to pay yourself first. Without conscious effort, conquer debt strategically. Prioritize high-interest credit card debt, using methods like the debt snowball or avalanche. Explore repayment strategies for student loans like income-driven plans or refinancing if beneficial. But always assess the long-term implications and potential risks. A strong credit score, typically above 700, is vital, impacting loan rates, housing, and even job prospects. Crucially, build an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This acts as your financial shield against unexpected events, preventing you from derailing your long-term goals. A 2024 NerdWallet survey found that 68% of individuals who set clear, numerical financial goals successfully achieve them, emphasizing the power of defined objectives and consistent action. Remember, consistent small actions compound over time, leading to significant financial freedom, regardless of external economic uncertainties. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan, seeking professional advice from certified financial planners or tax professionals when needed, to ensure you stay on track toward your financial goals.